Have you ever thought that by investing your money you could actually change the world? Well, with renewable energy, you really can. And the best part is it's much easier than most people think. Whether you believe in clean energy or not doesn't really matter anymore. Clean energy is no longer an idea of the future. It is already a huge part of the global economy. Today, wind and solar power already produce around 15% of all electricity in the world. Governments, corporations, and investors are pouring record money into this sector. In fact, global investments in the energy transition have reached around $2.4 trillion. That is not a trend, that is a financial revolution. Even countries that built their wealth on oil are now betting big on renewables. Saudi Arabia plans to reach 130 gigawatts of clean energy capacity by 2030, with massive investments in solar and wind. The United Arab Emirates is building some of the world's largest solar parks, reaching around 8 gigawatts of capacity. And China, one of the biggest energy consumers on Earth, is the world leader in solar and wind power. So the real question is not whether renewable energy will dominate the future. It already does. The real question is whether you will just watch it happen or join the energy revolution and earn from it. And here is the exciting part. Today, you don't need millions to invest in solar farms or wind parks. Thanks to renewable energy crowdfunding, you can start from as little as €100 and earn around 8 to 10% per year by financing real energy projects across Europe. These are not stocks or crypto. These are power plants that sell electricity and generate cash every day. Here is how it works. A company wants to build a solar park or a wind farm. Instead of going only to big banks, it raises part of the money from everyday investors like you through a regulated crowdfunding platform. You invest, the project is built, electricity is sold to the grid, and you receive interest and repayment from the project's revenue. You can even invest in projects in your own country, sometimes even in your own city, or diversify across Europe and fund energy projects in France, Germany, Spain, or the Netherlands. France is one of the leaders in this market. Platforms like Enerfip, Lendosphere, and Lendopolis have together raised hundreds of millions of euros each for renewable energy projects. They have been operating for over 10 years, with investor loss rates below 1%, which is extremely low, and typical returns close to 8 to 10% per year. That is why tens of thousands of retail investors are using them to build passive income from clean energy. Germany, the Netherlands, and the United Kingdom also have strong renewable energy crowdfunding platforms, giving investors access to solar parks, wind farms, battery storage, and green infrastructure. And the easiest way to find them all is by using Crowdinform. On Crowdinform.com, you can select renewable energy investing, compare platforms, see projects, and use smart tools to make better investment decisions. We are living through the biggest energy transformation in history. Trillions are being invested, old power systems are being replaced, and a new clean energy economy is being built right now. And for the first time ever, everyday people can own a piece of it and earn from it. So if you want to invest in renewable energy, build steady returns, and be part of something bigger, visit crowdinform.com. And if you want to learn more about alternative investments, from startups to solar farms, from real estate to art, subscribe to this channel and follow us. The future is being built today. Let's invest in it together.